What's up, raza? This is Big Mundo and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a bit, but I've been dealing with some health issues and I haven't really made any longer videos. I have made a lot of short videos on YouTube Shorts and TikTok, also on my Facebook, so look me up at Big Mundo 3, even on Instagram. But you'll see some of my shorts there, some of my short videos. Anyway, this video is on the National Motorcycle Museum in Anamosa, Iowa. It's not too far from here. I like to go up there, I don't know, every 2-3 years and check out all the bikes, because what they have there is really history on motorcycles, because they got very old bikes. I mean, they got every brand. I mean, it's an awesome museum. So here's little bits and pieces of what I recorded when I started my ride up that way. Anyways, I got there and it looks like everybody had the same idea, you know, because they're closing. So everybody was visiting, get one last look at all these motorcycles and all the collections they have. So as I walked in, I seen every bike had a tag. So they're auctioning all these bikes off through Mecum auction house, or I don't know whatever you call them, but Mecum, you see them on TV, you know, auctioning off all these nice cars. Anyways, each motorcycle, item, picture, they all had tags on them, so if you wanted to bid on them at the auction, you could. Check out these bikes. nowadays, I think I read somewhere where the owner died, I think during COVID, not sure, but he died, and now there's, you know, don't know who, if it's a estate sale or what, but all the bikes are getting auctioned off. I wish I had some money, because man, I wouldn't mind getting some of that history. Like I said earlier, that's what these bikes are, man. They're just beautiful bikes. And now they're closed right now. They're done. So if you have any like museums in your town, local museums or whatever, they don't have to be motorcycles, but make sure you support them. Hate to see that museum go, but I guess. I guess there's the end to everything. Alright guys, just a little short video. Big Mundo out.